Hello everyone, this is Nehal Sharma and you're welcome to the video demo of my Engage project, Customizable Music Recommendation System. So in this presentation, we're going to talk about me, the introduction to this web app and its features. For technical details like the technologies used, setup, folder organization, CI/CD, etc., you can refer to the README in the GitHub repository, which has all of this and much more in great detail. So now talking about me, I am a second year student studying BTech from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Lucknow in computer science. I am mostly a web developer. I'm fluent in web technologies like JavaScript and MERN stack. I also really enjoy doing open source and I'm currently a GSOC contributor at Zulip. Also, I am new to machine learning and in fact, this is my first ever full-fledged project in Python. Now, talking about the web app, it is a prototype for a music recommendation that is unlike any other. What sets it apart from most traditional systems is that most traditional systems don't really explain why they recommend what they recommend. So they act like magical black boxes. But in this web app, what happens is that every reason for every recommendation is clearly conveyed, and all the control is in the hand of the user, where he can pick and choose which kind of recommendations he would like, and so he can personalize the system just as he likes. So there are two modes of recommendation. Keep up with what's trending will suggest more popular songs, while the discover hidden gems one will suggest less popular songs. Also, there are a total of 6 recommendation types. So there are songs by the same artist, those which are lyrically similar. And side note, this is something which I've not seen in most mainstream music services. A similar energy, similar mood, which are released around the same time, and then a random selection as well. And this is again fully customizable. The user can choose between the modes, between the recommendation types, and even the number of recommendations of each type. Now for the UX related features, you can show or hide the lyrics, YouTube video is linked, each recommendation song has its own recommendations, and there are also themes to choose from, a hamburger menu with important links. This app is cross-platform as well as responsive. Now it's time for the live demo. And as you can see, all the features that were listed in the PPT are here. You can choose between these two modes. We'll keep it this for now. And also you can see right now there are 3 of each type. But when we change this using the slider, we can see that it updates really fast. Now we have 6 of each type. And again, you can also choose which kinds of recommendations you want. So for example, if you don't care much about lyrics, if you're that kind of person who only wants the energy and mood to match, you can switch off the lyrically similar recommendations. So you see that those went away. And again, you can remove these if you want. And if you're in a particularly adventurous mood, you can choose the random recommendations. Otherwise, you can remove those as well. And so we have a very customizable system here where you can change everything. And if you change to discover hidden gems, then it'll change these, and these are lesser known songs. So now it depends what you'd like best, and you can just tweak it just as you like. And here we bring back lyrically similar, and this is a link to the video. So we can, this actually works. So this links to the YouTube video for the song, so you can actually listen to it. And suppose we go to this recommendation. So now, as you saw, the song updated. And of course, the lyrics, as I had mentioned, you can see they're pretty similar because there's lots of Gonna and Love, just like it was in the previous song. So it is lyrically similar. And again, this song as well has its own recommendations. And you can easily switch between recommendations of this type. And for the technical details, the lyrics are compared using TF, IDF, and cosine similarity. And for mood and energy, certain attributes, that is, certain audio features, are compared using things like Euclidean distance. So this is how it works. And then you have certain features like this. You can change the theme, etc. And that's it.